How to make Discord use less RAM on your PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Log into your account, then click on the gear icon at the bottom left. Here on the left side, simply scroll down and click on Accessibility. After you click on Accessibility, simply scroll down. After you scroll down in here, you'll find different options. Turn off display name styles. After you've turned that off, scroll down and you'll find automatically play GIFs, simply animated stories or emojis, and turn both of them off. After you do that, on the left side, click on voice and video. In voice and video, simply scroll down and make sure it's none, which is noise suppressions. Now, again on the left side, click on Advanced. After you click on Advanced, turn off Developer Mode and also show play again in DM's list. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to make Discord use less RAM on your PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.